My name is Ryan Goodpaster. I'm one of the sales guys here at AnswerRocket. Been with the company 6 years, and what we do is we help our customers get insights out of their enterprise data in seconds using techniques like natural language processing, natural language generation, AI and machine learning model integration, and now GPT. We're fairly industry agnostic, but we have a pretty heavy focus in consumer goods. We help them with a lot of their internal data, their third-party data like Nielsen and IRI and Kantar. This data is really important to a lot of departments, so they see a lot of value across lots of different business areas in their companies. Every month, the Nielsen data updates, and for the most part, it takes a company maybe a week or two to get through a comprehensive analysis of what's going on with their business. With AnswerRocket, you can do a full deep dive in seconds, and you don't have to wait a week or two. So you get those insights much faster, and you can really figure out what to do, what actions to take with those insights, and get that to their customers even quicker. Most everybody that I've talked to is really excited about Max. They want Max yesterday, so we're working very hard to deliver that to them, especially our current customers. I don't see very many people being scared of it, because it's one of those things where you have to get on board with it or you'll get left behind, right? Everybody in every company that I'm talking to is trying to figure out how do we leverage GPT, not only for analytics, but across the entire organization. How do we make ourselves more efficient in these current times?